lady at the front desk to let me in. Family friend. How's your transmission?
Trashed.
You gotta check those fluids, huh?
Why'd you bother with a tow truck? Wanted to know where I'm staying, could just follow me.
Oh, I was pretty sure you could pick up a tail, you know? Considering you're a cop. You pretended to be Taylor's mom.
Yeah,
Why?
doing my job.
And you were in my house.
Yeah.
My house! So how much?
What?
How much do you want?
Nothing.
Bullshit. You're leaning on a snitch. You're creeping without a warrant. You were looking for a payoff. Parasites. That's what cops like you are. But I don't feed parasites because you give them a little blood and they just keep on sucking. No. The only way to deal with parasites, you squeeze the life out of them. You just squeeze it. You know what I mean?
Who killed Catherine Bellin? You. Beth. Your mother? You want to kill me? I've already uploaded my notes. They'll come right after you. You want to kill me, Andrew? Go ahead. Go kill another woman. Why not? They can only fry you once.